heard from Mother Africa for most of the night. She is going to take us home with her response.
Well, my son over here talked about unresolved issues. Well, let me begin to resolve them for you. You all have become like crabs in a bucket. Crabs in a bucket. Crabs in a bucket. Fighting over scraps and bits. Snatching each other down when you was once queens and kings. Birthed by me now. Thieves and liars and the land of the free. Separation, separated by denomination and race, but you all came from one place. Can't maintain unity. Don't know your own history. Giving the excuse that this has nothing to do with me. Years have passed, but I knew the past would revisit us someday, and so now we're here. And all I can hear are tears of fears, crying, mourning, shame. Only bring back those labor pain when I was the one that was ripped and raped, but still gave birth to you. I could not abort you because I knew there was greater work for you to do. My beautiful Siamese twin. The moment they separated you, I knew there was trouble to follow soon. But you two were made to be one, koyon kan, which very roots are the fruits and the leaves are remedies. Your soil is too rich for you to continue to live in a state of poverty. Your foundation too strong for you to continue to need a hand to live on, go on, be strong. Remember, you were birthed from a song. Haiti, Etazini, and all my children spread it throughout the Caribbean Sea. Remember, your divine destiny is to give birth just as I did. For you came from a womb as a womb to give birth to fruit that too will nourish this earth and be greater in death than at birth. I wrote the book on her. You are not cursed. You are not cursed. So don't receive those words when you were conceived and birthed to be more than just human. Given dominion to go and possess the land. In Louisiana, where the levees broke, Hurricane Katrina was the pain you labored to remind you of your name. Not refugees, but Africans. In Port-au-Prince, the earthquake C-section, the deadly 38 second was the pain you labored to reestablish your need for a change.